let's check out the absolutely amazing KT88 smartwatch, which not only has one of the best flashlights I have seen on any smartwatch, but also absolutely massive 1100 mAh battery. So inside the box, first we get, along with our watch, also a magnetic charger to charge our watch, and also quite extensive manual here as well. So when it comes to build quality, this watch actually looks very impressive indeed. So you see we have very nice metal bezel on this watch. So also nice metal buttons here. When it comes to the frame, it's all polymer, so probably will be actually very durable. And over here also we have the flashlight on this watch as well. And easily the best part about this watch actually is the price of it. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid actually only right around $20 for mine. Actually even a bit under $20 because I also used some extra coupons. So if you also want to get this watch for a similar price, simply check out the special discount link in the description. Also check out those extra coupons as well that you can combine with this price and bring it down even further. So I have over here this gray version, but also they have like fully black as well. And also if you pay a bit more, you can also get them with metal straps as well. For example, this black with metal black strap also probably would actually look really decent here. Also full silver one with full silver strap. So yeah, for this price I think it's absolutely ridiculous what we are getting here. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. I do have fairly small wrists, but even for me actually fits very well as well. So when it comes to the design, yeah, it's actually definitely a very smart looking watch indeed. Also this smartwatch also appears to have really decent display as well. So you see when it comes to colors, they're actually very punchy, and also the brightness also is actually very decent on this watch. So even if you use it outdoors in very bright sunlight, it's still actually very visible indeed. And let's check out all the features we get on this watch. First, if I swipe down, I can launch for example some quick things here. So you see, for example, adjust the brightness, turn on battery saver, make a phone call, drain basically speaker from water. So yep, we even have speaker and microphone as well on this watch, so we can easily call and also listen to music too. And also probably my favorite part about this watch actually is absolutely awesome flashlight. So you see, I can turn on the flashlight, and also I can easily adjust even the brightness of the flashlight here as well. So you see, you can dim it down to actually like very low level, so if you don't want to disturb someone at night. Also we have this blitz mode here as well, so strobe, and also the SOS mode here as well. So yeah, when it comes to brightness, this watch definitely is actually one of the best I have seen. And let's check out the brightness of the flashlight. So as you see, it's ridiculously bright here. And in fact on this channel I have maybe at this point tested so far maybe like 30 different of these smartwatches with a flashlight, and this by far actually has got one of the best basically. So probably maybe in top 3 actually. So yeah, definitely the brightness is very impressive on this one. Also it throws very far away as well. Okay, and this is what it looks outdoors. So I see definitely the brightness, very impressive. Again, really this is only a watch, and we are getting such insane brightness from it. So you see, yeah, it throws extremely far away actually. So definitely even outdoors you can actually see very well with this watch. So if you need to walk around somewhere in middle of night, yeah, this looks absolutely great indeed. So as you saw, definitely the flashlight brightness is actually very impressive on this watch indeed. However, when it comes to negatives for the flashlight, I would say the biggest negative is they haven't actually included like a dedicated button on the watch that we can use to turn on the flashlight. On other flashlight smartwatches that I have tried, some of them actually have like a button that you can simply press and turn on the flashlights. Otherwise the flashlight, yeah, is really top class on this one. And next, if I swipe up, I can get access to my notifications, maybe like SMS, email or WhatsApp notifications or whatever you might have. If I swipe like this, also I can get, for example, access to my music player. So also we can set actually multiple arms here as well. Your stopwatch, timer, can quickly launch here. Also check this, we can also quickly, okay, so we can't. Anyway, yeah, as you see also the timer obviously runs in the background, so it's very decent. Your water reminder, so you can quickly start a workout here. So let's start something. Let's see how it actually looks like. By the way, this watch doesn't have internal GPS, so again you will have to get basically your phone in range to be able to track like a GPS activity. But as you see, you have all the basic stuff here. Okay. And also different like breathing exercise, I guess. And also you can launch all the apps here as well. So for example, your activity tile, how many like active minutes you have done, your step count here, also step count history even for the past days, which is absolutely awesome. Also we can track sleep as well, your heart rate here. Okay, so you see timer is up and it's like vibrating. I'm not sure if you can hear, but you will definitely hear it when it's actually on your wrist. And let's quickly compare the heart rate performance. So I just climbed a bit of stairs to get my heart rate up. As I'm also talking, my heart rate also climbs a bit more. So you see for most part actually very similar. So you see in the green value over here I have heart rate, and over here so you see pretty much matches, maybe up to 2 or 3 points difference. So that's not really much. So that's actually pretty cool. Okay. And next we can also obviously make and receive calls as well on this watch. Since we have speaker and microphone, either you can select from contacts or open the dial pad. So I'll just dial like invalid number and I'll show you what it looks like. So you see it simply plays the
customer number you have dialed does not exist.
So you see, yeah, it simply yeah, my network operator says that. So you see, it actually works very good. And also, yeah, the speaker and microphone quality is actually very decent on this watch. So also the various exercises that we can choose from. So see what you can, for example, get here. We even have swimming here. And also we can add basically from different categories. So see, for example, from water sports. When it comes to total amount, there is absolutely insane amount. I have no idea how many, but probably well over 100. I mean, the amount is absolutely crazy. We also get our exercise record tab, where you can see basically the past exercise, your posture that you can also measure. We can measure even stress. That's interesting. Weather. You can also see full forecast here for the next days. Notifications. Also we can remotely like take a picture on our phone, basically by pressing here. And also we have the music player as well. So yep, we can also play music on the watch itself since it has a speaker. And next also we have various breathing exercise here as well. Your voice assistant. But again, so you need your phone in range for that. Your water reminder, timer here for example. And this timer also can run in the background as well. So you see also if you go over here. Okay, so you see you can also quickly check the timer here as well. Okay, alarms, stopwatch, different time zones, female cycle tracking here. compass even, have to calibrate it. Okay, after calibrating, yeah, pretty cool. Find my phone function, let's see how it actually looks like. So, okay, so yeah, definitely rings. Okay, calculator, and finally some settings. You have raise, wrist wake function as well here. Even auto, yeah. It looks like this watch can even like detect, like and start tracking activities automatically as well. So you see, overall the watch system actually very decent on this watch indeed. Actually looks very smooth as well, fluid. And finally, also let's check out the phone app. So it uses this Fit app. If you open it up, so you see, you can see your quick history here. For example, step count for the day, and also you can switch to the week view as well. So you can see for the past days here. Okay. Your sleep, heart rate, history here. Stress, weight. Also, we have different like workout programs that we can follow essentially. So again, these are completely free as well. So if you enter these are essentially like videos here. I haven't actually explored this, but you see, it basically guides you how to do basically different workouts, and then also this watch, I guess, tracks it. Okay. So you see, actually very decent selection here. And then finally, we can also manage our watch here. So again, when it comes to the battery, so the battery size was, I think, like 1100 milliamp hours. So again, this thing will last you absolute ages. Definitely, probably with that size battery, like even with like heavy usage, probably a couple of weeks. So that's absolutely crazy. So also, yeah, you see different watch face that we can send over to the watch. So you simply have like different categories, for example, here. So, yep. Can enable notifications for certain apps here. So again, make sure to actually go over here when you get this watch enabled for the apps you want to receive notifications from. Otherwise, by default, they actually aren't enabled, which is a bit stupid in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, also you can add the contacts that you want to quickly dial from your phone as well. And also your like profile. Also, we can even sync it with Strava as well, which is absolutely insane for its price. And yeah, overall the new KT88 smartwatch looks absolutely impressive indeed. Not only we get very nice build quality on this watch, also yeah, one of the brightest flashlights you can actually get on these smartwatches. Also very nice quality display that is not only like very bright but also very vibrant, and for the price which this watch costs, I think it's absolute bargain really. So again, if you want to get it for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Also, again, make sure to use extra coupons I'll leave in the description, so you can actually take this price and bring it even down further. Again, that also is with free shipping directly from the manufacturer who actually produced this watch. So for this price, really, yeah, absolutely insane what we're getting. Good luck.